Welcome to our ultimate gaming CPU showdown. Today, we are diving deep into the specifications and performance of two incredible processors, the Intel Core i9-12900K and the Intel Core i7-14700K. The i9-12900K, a flagship from the 12th generation Alder Lake series, boasts 16 cores and a maximum boost clock of 5.2 GHz. In contrast, the i7-14700K from the 14th generation Raptor Lake refresh offers 20 cores and a higher boost clock of 5.6 GHz. Join us as we explore which CPU reigns supreme in gaming and multitasking performance. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9-12900K features a hybrid architecture with 8 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, totaling 16 cores. This design was revolutionary at its launch, providing excellent single-core performance suitable for gaming. However, the newer Intel Core i7-14700K takes things up a notch with 8 performance cores and 12 efficient cores, bringing the total to 20 cores. This increase in core count not only enhances multi-threaded performance, but also allows for better handling of background tasks, making it a more versatile choice for gamers and content creators alike. Price is a crucial factor for many consumers. The Intel Core i9-12900K launched at a hefty price of $727, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the Intel Core i7-14700K offers a significantly lower price point of $464, making it an attractive option for those looking for high performance without breaking the bank. This price difference, combined with the performance improvements in the i7-14700K, makes it a compelling choice for new builds. Thermal management is essential for maintaining performance. The Intel Core i9-12900K, while powerful, is known for its high thermal output, requiring robust cooling solutions to prevent throttling during intense workloads. The Intel Core i7-14700K, despite its increased core count, maintains the same base power envelope of 125 W, but users should still consider high-performance cooling to optimize its capabilities. Both processors demand careful consideration of cooling solutions to ensure peak performance. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9-12900K and the Intel Core i7-14700K offer impressive performance, but the i7-14700K provides a better value proposition with its higher core count and lower price. For gamers and content creators looking for the best performance per dollar, the i7-14700K is the clear winner. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.